I recently got hold of one of these DJI Mic 2s and they're really good because they've got Bluetooth in them and I can connect it to my Pocket 3 here using the Bluetooth, no cables. So when I'm out and about, I can easily and quickly create videos. Okay, but I also can connect this to my iPhone and this works for other smartphones, but I'm going to do it on my iPhone here because it just does it through the Bluetooth. So what I'm going to do is really easy. Just switch this on. There we go, there's the on button there and it vibrates so that it tells me that it's on. On this side is a record button. You can actually record internally into here, which is actually really very handy. So I'm going to press and hold that for 3 seconds. And on this side, that's going to flash blue. It's going to flash slowly. There is a button here, which is the link button. And I'm just going to press that and hold. It's going to start flashing faster. Now I come over to my iPhone. I go into the settings. There's Bluetooth. So there you can see it's got the DJI Mic 2. It's not connected. Let's tap on connect. Boom, it's connected. Now, if I hadn't had that connected already, it would appear down at the bottom here and the mic is now connected. Now, the thing is, this doesn't work with the built-in camera, but it does work on third-party ones and other people I've seen have done that. For me, I've got something called Filmic, which comes up here, this legacy one that I'm going to use. So the other thing I'm going to do is I just need to tell it which microphone to use. So I'm going into the settings. It's got the iPhone one there. You can see here there's an option for Bluetooth microphone. Now other third-party apps might work differently. Tap on that. It's detected the DJI one. Let's go off of that. And you can see down at the bottom, it's coming up as monitoring it there. Let's record. You can now hear it coming through there. It's now coming through this. Move it a bit and you'll hear the difference. If I tap the top, you'll hear it come through there as well. So this is really good. It gives you that many more options just to be able to have a microphone that you can keep at a distance and also probably better quality than this. And also if it's windy or something, you've got like a windsock that you can put on the top of it as well. So that's how it works if you want to connect it onto one of these. If you want to connect it back to the receiver here, hold that record button for 3 seconds again. And actually it's just straight away connected it. So it's back here and you can see it going up and down on here. These are really easy. You can throw these in the charging case, throw them in your bag. You can put a lapel mic on here. I think these are really great. And don't forget, you can actually record directly on here and it records in this thing called 32-bit floats. I've got a link for it below. You don't have to worry about the levels as much and you can fix things like distortion or someone talking really quietly without too much fuss. Okay, thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe and come back for more.